In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a Hotmail account to Gmail. To begin, go to your computer and open Gmail in your web browser. Make sure you are signed in to the Gmail account where you want to receive your Hotmail messages. It is best to do this on a desktop or laptop because the settings you need are easier to find there than on a mobile app. Once Gmail is open, look to the top right corner of the page. You will see a small gear icon. Click that gear icon to open the Quick Settings panel. In that panel, select See All Settings. This takes you to the full settings page where Gmail keeps all account and mailbox options in one place. Across the top of the settings page, you will see several tabs. Find and click the tab labeled Accounts and Import. This section controls how Gmail connects to other email accounts, how it sends mail, and how it handles importing. Now scroll down until you see the area titled Check Mail from Other Accounts. In that section, click Add a Mail Account. A small window will pop up asking for the email address you want to add. Type in your Hotmail address, then click Next. After you do that, Gmail will ask how you want to connect the account. Choose the option that says Link Account with Gmailify, and then click Next again. Gmailify is helpful because it improves compatibility and can bring over features like better syncing and organization, depending on what Microsoft allows during sign-in. At this point, you will be redirected to a Microsoft sign-in page. Sign in to your Hotmail or Microsoft account when prompted. Take your time and make sure you are signing in to the correct account. After you sign in, you will see a permission screen. Click Yes or Allow to grant Gmail permission to access your mailbox. This authorization is required so Gmail can check your Hotmail messages and display them inside your Gmail inbox. Once you approve access, you will be returned to Gmail. Give it a moment to finish linking. After that, your Hotmail account will be added, and Gmail will be able to check for new messages from it. And that is all there is to it.